Hello, how are you? I hope you're good. Habari, shikamo. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're faring nicely. I'm also good. Yes, so today we're going to learn about daily activities and then we're going to make sentences with the daily activities, using present tense, past tense, and future tense. So let's go ahead and start. We have a young boy there brushing his teeth. Yes, brushing his teeth using a toothbrush and toothpaste, as I can see. So, brushing of teeth is, to brush teeth is kupiga mswaki. That is brush teeth, kupiga mswaki. So, mimi ninapiga mswaki. Mswaki is a toothbrush. I am brushing my teeth. Because I can't say mimi ninapiga to mean I'm brushing my teeth. It will not make sense. I need to add mswaki so that someone can know you are brushing your teeth. Mimi ninapiga mswaki. I am brushing my teeth. Mimi nilipiga mswaki. Now that is past tense. I brushed my teeth. Mimi nitapiga mswaki. I will brush my teeth. Mswaki is toothbrush. So, ninapiga mswaki. That means I'm brushing my teeth. Teeth, as you know, is meno. Meno is teeth. Meno. Meno is teeth. Good. The next one, there's a young man there showering with the water. Water is called maji. Maji. There is it. There it is. I've spelled it. Maji. M-A-J-I. Maji. That is water. I am showering. I am showering. Or I'm showering. Mimi ninaoga. Mimi ninaoga. That's enough. Mimi ninaoga mwili. Mwili is body. So if you want to be more specific on what you're washing or what you're showering, you say mimi ninaoga mwili. Mwili is body. Or even if you say mimi ninaoga, it will still be okay. It will make sense. So kuoga is to shower. Mimi ninaoga mwili. I am showering. Mimi nilioga mwili. I showered. That's a past tense. Mimi nitaoga mwili. I will shower. That's the future tense. Nitaoga mwili. Mimi ninaoga mwili. Mimi ninaoga mwili. I am showering. Maji is water. Good. Read that for me. Mimi ninachana nywele yangu. Nywele is hair. Nywele is hair. Nywele. Yangu is my hair. I know by now you've seen yangu, wangu, langu because they are in different noun classes. In our next the intermediary course, when we are diving deep into noun classes, you'll be able to see why it becomes yangu, why it becomes wangu, why it becomes langu. So, nywele yangu. Mimi nilichana nywele yangu. I combed my hair. Mimi nitachana nywele yangu. I will comb my hair. That's future tense. So, mimi ninachana nywele. I'm combing my hair. Mimi ninachana nywele. Ninachana nywele yangu. I'm combing my hair. Good. I like it. This other one. There's some oil this person wants to apply on his or her body. And oil or lotion, we call it mafuta. Mafuta. That is oil or lotion. Mafuta, mafuta, mafuta. So I am applying lotion or oil. Mimi ninapaka mafuta. Mimi ninapaka. Kupaka is to apply. Kupaka, kupaka. ninapaka mafuta. Like I have Vaseline here and I can remove it a little bit and then say, mimi ninapaka mafuta. I am applying lotion. I am applying lotion. Mimi nilipaka mafuta. I applied lotion. Mimi nitapaka mafuta. I will apply lotion. Apparently, I have an allergy of the lotion, of the Vaseline. Sorry. So, mimi nilipaka mafuta. I will apply lotion. Mimi nitapaka mafuta. I will apply lotion. Ninapaka mafuta. Can you remember showering? Mimi ninaoga. Brushing of teeth. Mimi ninapiga mswaki. Good. Good. There's a breakfast there, very heavy breakfast. I can see pancakes, I can see bacon, I can see eggs, I can see a syrup. It's very heavy. So eggs is mayai. Eggs is mayai. Mayai. That's eggs. Mimi ninakula kiamsha kinywa. Kiamsha kinywa is breakfast. Kuamka is to wake up, something that wakes you up. Kiamsha kinywa. Kinywa is like the mouth. So it's like you're waking up the mouth by putting food, the first meal you put of the day. I am eating breakfast. Mimi ninakula kiamsha kinywa. To eat is kukula. To eat is kukula. So mimi ninakula kiamsha kinywa. I am eating breakfast. So personally, I like bananas a lot during breakfast. One banana is ndizi. Many bananas, mandizi. Ndizi. So I like mandizi. I also like pineapples, nanasi. Pineapples is nanasi. Many pineapples, mananasi. Nanasi, mananasi. Good. Mimi nilikula kiamsha kinywa. Good. Mimi nitakula kiamsha kinywa. Yes. Even if you say I am eating, ninakula. Ninakula is I am eating. Ninakula, I am eating. Food is chakula. Food is chakula. 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 That is eating. Good. There's a young boy there with a very big bag, bigger than him, and he's walking. I think he is going to school. Yes, so school is shuleni. So in school, to school, shuleni. Mimi ninaenda shuleni. I am going to school. Mimi nilienda shuleni. I went to school. Mimi nitaenda shuleni. I will go to school. And that bag is called begi. My bag, begi langu. Try that. Ninaenda shuleni. So shule is school. To school or in school, we put the ni, shuleni. It becomes adverb of place. So shule is a noun, shuleni is an adverb of place. Good, I like it. There's a book, young man, they are very serious reading a book. It might be a storybook. I think it's a storybook. And he is at his bedroom. There's a bed, there's a table, there are flowers there. He's very serious. So I am reading a storybook. Mimi ninasoma kitabu cha hadithi. Kitabu is book. Story is hadithi. Cha is a preposition joining kitabu and hadithi. It's like of. It's like story of. It's like book of story. Book of story. Just because in English we can't do that kind of translation. So we just say storybook for kitabu cha hadithi. Kusoma is to read, to learn. Mimi nilisoma kitabu cha hadithi. Read for me the second now, the third sentence. Mimi nitasoma kitabu cha hadithi. I will read a storybook. So behind there is table. Table is mesa. Mesa is a Portuguese word. When the Portuguese came to the east coast of Africa to trade, we had a lot of word borrowing back and forth. So we picked mesa. Mesa is table. Kitanda is the bed over there. Then flowers is maua. Kitanda, mesa, maua. Good. I like your progress. There are two boys, they are playing football. They look very excited and happy to play. Football is called kandanda. Ka-da-da. That is football. Kandanda. Sisi is us. Mimi is me. Sisi is us. 2, 3, 4 people. That's Sisi. Sisi goes with 2. Mimi goes with ni. Wewe goes with u. Nyinyi goes with m. So Sisi is us. We are playing football. Sisi tunacheza kandanda. Kucheza is the verb to play. Sisi tulicheza kandanda. We played football. Sisi tutacheza kandanda. We will play football. Ball is mpira. Grass is nyasi. Playing field is uwanja or uwanjani, in the field. It's like school, shuleni. Uwanja is the field. In the field is uwanjani. In school or to school is shuleni. So if you add the ni, it becomes an adverb of place, shuleni. If it's nyumba, is house. Nyumbani is like in the house or at home. Good, there's someone there who is swimming. Yes. There is water. Water is maji. Maji is water. To swim is kuogelea. That is to swim. So mimi ninaogelea. I am swimming. We are swimming is sisi, because we are many. Sisi tunaogelea. We swam. Sisi tuliogelea. We will swim tomorrow. Sisi tutaogelea kesho. Good. Sisi tutaogelea kesho. Sisi tuliogelea. Sisi tunaogelea. Mimi ninaogelea. That is swimming. I like it. Yes. So there's a man there listening to music. It's a daily activity. Mimi ninasikiliza muziki. I am listening to music. Mimi ninasikiliza muziki. Muziki is music. Muziki. It's like music. Muziki. Kusikiliza is to listen to. Kusikiliza is to listen to. So I am listening to music. Mimi nilisikiliza muziki. I listened to music. Mimi nitasikiliza muziki. I will listen to music. Then the head is kichwa. Then the neck is shingo. Then the ears is masikio from our previous lesson of parts of the body. So ninasikiliza muziki. Now you know, ninasikiliza, ninaogelea, ninapiga mswaki, ninakula kiamsha kinywa. Yeah, you can basically have a conversation. You can basically tell someone what you're doing on a day-to-day basis. Good, I like it. There's a person sleeping. She is sleeping. Yeye is he or she. Yeye analala, she is sleeping. Yeye alilala, she slept. Yeye atalala, she will sleep. Sleep is usingizi. Usingizi is sleep. Usingizi. Ninahisi usingizi. I feel sleepy. Kuhisi is to feel. Ninahisi usingizi. I feel sleepy. And what time do you sleep? At night. Night is usiku. Usiku is night. If you remember, lala salama or usiku mwema. Usiku mwema is have a good night. Usiku mwema. Read the sentences. Yeah. Yeye atalala. Kulala is to sleep. Kulala is to sleep. He or she will sleep. Yeye alilala. Yeye atalala. Usingizi. Usingizi is sleep. Usingizi. Good. There's a boy watching television there, very serious. Yeye anatazama televisheni. Television is televisheni. He is watching television. Yeye alitazama televisheni. He watched television. There's at the TV, there's a dog there. I think he's watching a show of dogs. Dog is mbwa. Mbwa in singular and plural is still the same. Mbwa, mbwa. There's a chair there at the corner. Kitty, many chairs. Viti, table, we said it is meza. Good, meza. So dog, mbwa, chair, kitty, viti. Anatazama televisheni. He is watching television. Keep practicing on the daily activities. You will get better at it. You will get better at it. At least you can tell someone, I am watching television, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm combing my hair, I'm drinking breakfast, I am playing football. Even if you're not playing, at least you know, ninacheza. Now you add the sport that you're playing. If it's volleyball, it's volleyball. Netball, netball. So whatever you're playing, you will figure it out, whatever you're playing. So yes, thank you so much. And